This year's theme is Voice, Treaty, Truth. 3 elements key to the reforms set out in the 2017 Uluru Statement from the Heart. This NAIDOC week, we ask all Australians to join Indigenous Australians in support of significant and lasting change.
And as a community, we share the same spirit of those who seek a more unified, reconciled, peaceful and hopeful Australia. The unfinished business needs to be resolved. And we are the generation and the generations to come to do that. So thank you very much, school, for your wonderful grace and attendance today. Could you please again express our thanks to the folk from Darkinjung and to our Aboriginal guests who mean so much to us.